Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a boy with some dragons in the water digitally. I created a screen size document and let's make the background very dark because it will be at night. We begin sketching the shape of the head, like so. He will be in profile. The torso and the legs sitting. I move him further up and we make some lines for the water, the surface of the water. Now let's continue the sketch, giving more detail. On a new layer and with a red color, we draw the dragon. I'm using the hard blend brush, which is within the airbrushing menu. Let's draw the arms of the beast. This is really scary. The long pupils. By the way, I'm using the picture of a cobra as a reference for the face of my dragon. Inside, in the throat, it will be of a shining orange, as if he had fire inside. The light is reflected by the fangs. The skin, as it is in shadow, will be of a darker red. Let's create a new layer to add some black shadows and scales. I actually don't like the arms like this. It looks like a ghost of a cartoon. So let's redraw them a little bit differently. Something like this, but maybe not touching. More like so. Yeah, I think that's better. And the legs down here. Sort of between human and reptilian. Let's draw the other leg coming down more. Oops, I'm running out of canvas. Let's extend it a little bit down. And a long tail in a sort of half a circle. Let's add some reflecting light on the body. Now we pick a dark blue to paint the water in a new layer. Once we limit the area, we can drop the color. And then by choosing the layer and clicking on the N, we can adjust the opacity. I am drawing on an iPad with the program Procreate, but you can achieve all these effects practically on any other digital drawing program, such as Photoshop. I am creating this image for a brand new project that I am working on, and that is of an illustrated novel, which I am writing and drawing. Here, a little prince has to face his fears. If you want to see more previews and know about more news, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ArtistLeonardo. And by the way, another piece of news is that, by popular demand, I will be uploading a long version of some of the videos to my Patreon account. So you will be able to find a long version of this tutorial, which is about 40 or 50 minutes long, with the Patreon link in the description of this video. And let's draw another monster here, with the mouth wide open coming toward us, or toward the kid. He's swimming with the arms down. And let's add some bubbles. Now we paint the clothes of a dark bluish gray and the skin. Let's add the hair and features. And some more reflections of the red light. But to tell you the truth, I'm not liking the pose or the look of this kid. So let's erase him. I'll re-establish this part over here. And then we will draw him in a different position. Like squatting down, reaching toward the water. The head here and the arms down. One hand in the water. I hope he doesn't get eaten. Good. Let's give some color to the skin. Dark, since it is so shady. With a bright reflection in the front of the face. The arm is too long, let's shorten it. Good. I'll darken him a little bit more. We need to give a color to his pants too. And since we have some light shining, I think we should draw some beams underwater. Like so, with a soft airbrush, with some more reflections also. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. In the comments, please write me the secret code, face your fears. Let's reframe the image. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.